I'm so delighted, so happy to come here to Keene Seventh-day Adventist Church. Right here, this is Keene Seventh-day Adventist Church. This church was built in 1700 when Ellen G. White commanded that the church would be here. It's the first church. And actually this place, all over down there, wherever the street, they used to call it Holy City. Means no work was done during Sabbath hours from Friday. All the gas stations, all the shops were shut down during Sabbath hours. So this is the church. And they have built another church down there, which carries 4,000 people, members, in one city. So we just came here to capture the church. We have been inside. We are so happy, so delighted. Thank you for not demolishing the church. God willing, we will come back here and fellowship with other saints.